Welcome to restaurant De Nieuwe Winkel. My name is Emiel van der Staak. I'm chef owner and I'm going to share you the story of this little dish. This is Shiozuke, one of the many pickles they know in Japan. And Shiozuke literally means salt and pickle. It's the easiest pickle they have. It's with water and salt. And what we also added is koji, which is a mold that works as an enzyme, and when we add that we create an extra layer of complexity, and we apply this technique onto turnips. The leftover turnips are not waste. We put it in the slow juice and we create a broth together with some nut oil, walnut oil, that we press on the day itself. We finish this dish. But the secret of this dish when it comes to the flavor is the cream that we make, because it's based on yeast, the fresh baker's yeast that is roasted in the oven for a very long time, and then you end up with something crispy, almost impossible to eat, but with a very rich flavor, almost close to fried chicken skin. And that's the base of the cream we use. So the little secret here is yeast.